Hello, multimedia students. It seems like a few folks are having trouble turning this in and figuring out how to do the challenges using Khan Academy to do the challenges. So I'm going to show you how. The very first assignment is 01 in week 2. So I'm in classwork and I'm gonna open up the assignment, view instructions. Here are the instructions and I'm going to open the link. So the very first thing we need to do is the bottom of the snowman. The challenge is called Simple Snowman. And if you would like to have a reader, I believe your Chromebooks have this. You can highlight the text and you can 2-finger click on it. A menu will come up and you can go down to read. It'll say like read to text. And so if you want to do that, you can. I'm not in our school account, so mine won't come up, but I believe you will have that option. But it says, in this challenge, you'll draw a snowman using the ellipse function. Start off by making a circle for the bottom of the snowman with the ellipse command. So this should be the first ellipse command in your program. Okay, so we put in ellipse command and it came up X, Y, W, H. So X is left and right, Y is up and down. Then we have the width and the height of the circle. So we're just going to put in numbers. So I'll put in 300, 300, 100, 100. Okay, let's see what we've got. Now, notice there's nothing over here because I haven't put the magic semicolon in. Okay, so I did that, but it says, the first ellipse for the bottom of your snowman seems to be too far up. It's the bottom of your snowman, so it should be near the bottom of the canvas. Try making the second number in your first ellipse larger. So I'm going to click right here and make it a little bigger. Okay, now little Hopper came up and he says, awesome, keep it up. And if I take it and I keep going down, then he goes away because it's too far. So once you get that one, you know you're in the right place. I'm going to hit on next step. And just as I suspected, it's the middle. It says now draw the second circle for the middle of your snowman using another ellipse command. This should be the second ellipse command in your program. So what I'm going to do is copy this so I don't have to type all that again. And it does say make sure the second circle is a little smaller than the bottom circle. So I'm going to paste it in, and right away it says, it needs to be small enough to fit on top of the first ellipse. So it says it might fall off the snowman. Try making the third and fourth numbers in your second ellipse smaller. So instead of 100, let's use 80. And look, it's a little bit smaller, but unfortunately it's on the bottom. So it says, the second ellipse for the middle of your snowman seems too far down. It shouldn't overlap the circle that much. Try making the second number in your second ellipse smaller. So what it means is this one, and this is the number scrubber, and so I'm just going to move it, and there he comes up. So I know I'm in the right place. So I'm going to click next step, and now I got to do the head. So I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it in, up, and it says the third ellipse for the head should be small enough to fit on top. It's exactly the same size. That's why you can't really see it because it's right on top. So I'm going to take these two 60s, just like I did, or 80s, and make them 60s, just like I made them 80s before. But once again, it's on the snowman. So it says it shouldn't overlap. So try making the second number in your third ellipse smaller. So here's our second number. We've got the number scrubber again, and I'm going to move it up. All steps complete. I'm going to click Finish Challenge, and it says I earn points. Great, but I need to turn it in. So I'm going to click on the word Spin Off. I'm going to click Spin Off, and now I'm logged in, so it'll let me spin it off. And I'm going to put my name next to it. So this time when I click Save, I'm going to look up at the URL And right here, it has my name in the URL. That means it's a unique URL to my creation. So I'm going to copy it, Control C, and I'm going to take it back to my assignment, and I'm going to go to Add or Create. I'm going to go to Link. I'm going to post the link there, Add, and then I'm going to click Turn In, and I am done. Good luck.